Hello everybody, Sub-Zero29 here, and welcome to episode 3 of a Forge modding tutorial. So now, if you remember last time, we made the item T-Gem, and that's about it. So today, we are going to get a little bit more in depth into what's possible with Forge. Now we're not getting too far into it, like we're not getting into armor, tools, or ore generation. The tools is next episode, armor is the episode after that, and then ore generation and ores will be after that. And whenever Forge updates, we will do a video on how to update your mod. Now, what we're going to be doing today is we're going to learn about crafting and shapeless crafting, and just the basic of how to add a block. So the first thing you're going to want to do, you're going to want to type in public static block T block. There you go. And public. Why is that not working? There we go. Yeah, my thing is my Eclipse has been being weird lately. Something broke earlier, and it hasn't been working right. But whatever, just gotta keep going. So now, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to do T block equals new tutorial solid blocks 5001. Comma material dot iron. So now we're gonna make that class in a second, but first we're gonna go dot set creative tab parentheses, right? Yeah, creative tabs dot tab block dot set unlocalized name I always spell this wrong, so I go slowly on it, and then just set it to T block. Well, with all the T block things, just set them to whatever you want your item to be named. Change to tab block. You're gonna want to have a lowercase on that. Dot set hardness and let's do 4.0 F, and then dot set step sound and then make it block dot sound metal footstep, and then last, well actually second to last, set resistance, resistance. Now set resistance 10.0 F. And then, last but not least, dot set texture name, and then tutorial, or whatever you called your mod, dot T block. Oh, you need that in quotation marks, and then put a semicolon. So now we can create the class. Finish. Or whatever that. Yeah. Alright, extends block. Then you're going to want to import block and add a constructor and do nothing except remove this Toto auto-generated connector stub because that's just telling you what it is. And then there we go, change that. And now that we have all that done, what the hell is this doing in the middle of the freaking? Alright, so now I want to go here and type in game registry. And if you don't have that imported, you're gonna I think I spelled that wrong. Yes, I spelled that wrong. I cannot spell for my life today, so. And then register block T block or whatever you called your block, and then you put comma, quotations, and then T block or whatever you want it to say in the game. Actually no, or whatever, yeah, pretty much same thing. And then I'm gonna go language registry down here, language registry dot add name T block comma and then quotations T block or whatever you want to call your block, and close that with a semicolon at the end. And I'm gonna bring that down a little bit and change to language registry. Okay, I spelled that wrong too. I can't spell registry today. I know how to spell it, but I can't today. So now, below this, you want to type again, game registry. Okay, so let me first explain this. So basically, with this part, it's the same thing as this, and it sets the creative tab. It sets the unlocalized name, which is, I don't know if that's used anymore, but I always use it. I don't think the game actually ever uses this anymore. Besides, maybe it uses it for the name of it, for the I don't know what this uses it for anymore. In mod loader and early forge, I think, and not even in forge. In mod loader, when I used to go to mod loader, this used to be used for textures and stuff and the in-game name. And I used to use it for the in-game name before language registry and everything. But I don't know what it's used for now, but I always put it just in case. And then this sets the hardness, sets the resistance, sets the sound when you step on it, and this is the texture, of course. And this is, it just adds, it tells that it's a game registry, so it explains itself. Tells it the name, and and this tells it that it's going to be the same material as iron. Basically, with that, you're using a Minecraft class so that you don't have to do all the coding of it, which is something that you want to have at your disposal. Registry dot register block. No wait, no, wrong thing. I'm copying the thing from the okay, dot add recipe. So now, recipe. Alright, there we go. RECIPE. There we go. New item stack. And you're going to have to import item stack. I already have it imported because I was just making sure that all this stuff worked before. So, item stack T block, comma, 1, outside comma. You're gonna want to bring this down a little. Crap. You're gonna bring this down a little bit, and then new object, open and close brackets, square brackets, and then open squiggly bracket, parentheses, quotations, TTT, all caps, comma, quotation, all caps, TTT, comma, quotation, all caps, TTT, and then comma, apostrophe, T, comma, T gem, or whatever your item that you're making it out of is called. So now this is going to be closed, and then there and there. So this is adding the recipe. This is the top layer, this is the middle layer, and this is the bottom layer. T means T-gem, so it's going to be completely filled with T-gems. And then that'll make one of the T-block. So now you want to be able to uncraft the T-block, so you're going to go game registry dot add shapeless recipe, sorry, then registry, there we go. New item stack T gem, and you're gonna want to go comma and then 9, and then comma new object, and then again with the open squiggly bracket, and then just put T block, or whatever the name of your block is, and then it'll close it up, and you are done. So now you can run your mod. Yes, save changes. Uh-oh, again. What's happened earlier? Oh, okay, I remember. Alright, so there's an issue with the block. The item ID, I don't think it can be over 5,000, or maybe it's 4,000, so let's try 4,999. Let's see if it works now. No. I don't think it can be over 3,999. It definitely, so what I was going with earlier is 3608, and then playing, and it should work, because Minecraft has general rules about item IDs. Like, you can't put 9,999 million, which isn't even a real number, but you can't put a really high number that's in like the millions as an item ID, because it'll just crash your game, because it would take way too long to load that every time you place the item, because it would have to process more IDs. So I already have this built because I had them in the game before, but it'll be in block, key block, materials, T-gem, because I was just testing everything before. So let's get a stack of T-blocks and 2 stacks of T-gems. Let's go to my crafting table up here. So you can go do. You make a T-block, and you can just go make however many you want, and then you can place them wherever you want in the crafting table. Because it's shapeless crafting, like if you just put one in the center, then you wouldn't be able to place it here, you would only be able to place it in the center. That's what Shapeless Crafting is for. So I can place it wherever I want in the crafting table. I can even go into my slash time set day and options peaceful. So slash game mode 0. I can even place them into here and get them there. I can uncraft multiple ones at once. Get a ton of gems. I can uncraft entire stacks at once. So that's about it for this episode, guys. I mean, we've gotten a lot done in 2 episodes. We've learned how to make items and how to make blocks, and we've learned shapeless and shaped crafting. So that's about it for this episode, guys. I hope to see you guys next time. But until then, Sub-Zero 29 out.